How'd the BBL go for you?
Great.
Good.
Yes.
So now we're going to do the real fun part,
Okay.
the halo.
Yay.
This is what it's all about. All right, so with the halo, a lot of our patients use the Pronox.
Yeah.
And the nice thing about the Pronox, it's a nitrous oxygen mix, 50-50.
Okay.
And it'll really take the edge off,
Okay.
make you feel nice and comfortable.
Okay.
And you just won't care that we're doing a halo on your face.
Great.
So you've got the halo, I've got the halo, you've got the Pronox.
Okay.
Right there, and take it when you need it. Breathe in and out through your mouth into that tube.
Okay.
And use it as much as you feel you need to be comfortable throughout the procedure.
Okay.
The only time I'll have you take it out is when I'm working around your mouth and chin, and I'll let you know that.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Good. So I'm just going to be mapping out the area that we'll be doing the laser. We won't be starting the treatment yet, but you'll feel the laser just touching your skin and rolling on the surface. As we calculate the surface area that I'll be doing. Okay. How's that Pronox feeling? Good? All right. So you can go ahead and leave it in for this,
Okay.
since we're just mapping out. And this is just calculating the surface area of the different quadrants of your face and the total energy that the laser wants me to deliver to each zone. So it's pretty precise. So you've got a lot of sun damage, as we saw in the Vizia. So I'm going to do a pretty deep treatment so we can really bring that sun damage out. And I know you've got time to recover for a few days at home. So it's worth it to go stronger and deeper to get all this sun damage out in this treatment. And I'm going to put these protective stainless steel goggles on you, like that. I'll move them around a little bit as I work around the eyelid, but we're going to start down in this area first and do a section at a time, okay? Great. Okay, you all set? So I'll have you just take that out for just a minute, just so I can go around your chin. And that's what the laser feels like as it rolls on the skin and delivers the energy to that area that we're going over. You doing okay? So I'll just get this area out of the way first so you can use the Pronox again, okay? For the rest. I know the upper lip can be a little sensitive. Go ahead and roll your lips together. Perfect. I can really get along the edge. And your chin. Great. You can go back to the Pronox now if you like. We're all done in that area. We are about halfway done with this section of your face. It's going to be really fun for you to see over the next 5 days, all these brown dots coming up to the surface. Those are called MENDS, M-E-N-D-S, which are all these little microscopic channels created by the halo. And through these little channels, all of that dead, necrotic, sun-damaged skin, all the brown spots will just come right up through these laser channels. We're about 75% done with this part of your face. I'm going to do a little bit on your upper lid here. I have a special setting for that.
Yes,
Just to tighten up your upper lid a little bit. Yeah. Maybe a little sensitive, but it'll be good to tighten this up a little bit. Doing great. Is your face starting to feel warm at all down in the area I first started with a little bit? Yeah, as soon as we're done, you'll start feeling that warmth everywhere if you don't already, and that warm sensation will last about an hour, and then it'll go away. We are more than halfway done with this side. You're doing so well. I know, upper lids can be a little sensitive, but it's worth it. It's quick and it'll help tighten up your upper lid and get rid of some of the brown spots just below your brow. Okay. We are all done with that side of your forehead. Now we're moving on to this side. That's great, thank you. Go ahead and roll your lips together. Wow, you even remembered that with Pronox. So we're just going over your face a section at a time. Okay. We are about 70% done with this section. Perfect. All we have is your nose. You're doing great. Okay, so let's do your nose. Okay, no, nose can be a little sensitive. It's quick though, we'll be done with this in about 2 minutes. This will help tighten the pores on your nose. We are about a minute away from being done with your face. Okay. You made it through your face, Amber. Great job. And what's amazing is we can already see thousands of little dots in the brown sun damage starting to come up.
Good.
All of those spots, as we talked about before, are called mens, which are just little microscopic channels of your epithelium of your skin that the laser creates deep down into the dermal layer, so that all of that old skin and sun damage can come up through those channels.
And preventative.
Yeah, and it can be very preventative for early skin cancers to get rid of all of this old sun damage and bring it up now, you know. We'll go ahead and get started here, but typically the neck is not nearly as sensitive as the face. Okay, we're almost halfway done with your neck. The great thing about doing this with the BBL the way you did it, having the BBL being done at the same time, same treatment session, is that you're going to see so much more of an effect. It's just going to bring out so much more sun damage all at once. You know, I've had 2 Halo BBLs myself, and the first one was without Pronox before we had it. The second one was with it, and I definitely appreciated the Pronox. Okay. This will give you some good tightening in the neck too, especially right under here. Okay. Now I'll do the other side of your neck and then we're done. Take a breather for a minute. This is the home stretch. Is your face starting to feel very warm? Yeah. We'll cool you down in just about 5 minutes when we're done. We're about halfway done with the side of your neck and then we'll be finished. And then we'll put some nice soothing ointment on and give you the fan to cool your face and neck off. And you'll be good. We're all finished. You did awesome.
Wow.
How are you feeling?
So good.
A little warm? A little warm, a little red.
I feel
Look like a mild sunburn.
I feel like a cat when you pet them and they're like, yes, please do it. That's how I feel. Is that good, huh?
Yeah. Kayleen's going to cool you down a little bit and then put that elastin on. And here's something else for you. How about that? You can hold that and just cool yourself off with our fan. that we're giving you to take home. Help cool yourself off on the way home. All right.